SSC Science Part 1st MCQ Important Questions Useful for Entrance Exam. Part 3 Question number 63 ... Heat is necessary to raise 1 kg of water from 14.5 degrees Celsius to 15.5 degrees Celsius and A. 4180 joule, B. 1 kilojoule, C. calorie, D. 4180 calorie. And answer is D. 4180 calorie. Question number 64. If angle I is equal to 40, then angle E is equal to how much? A. 50, B. 40, C. 60 and D. 90. And answer is B. 40. Question number 65. A ray of light strikes the glass slab at an angle 40 with the surface of the slab, then the angle of incidence will be A. 50, B. 40, C. 60, D. 90. And answer is A. 50. Question number 66. We see the sun even after it goes below the horizon because A. Refraction of light, B. Dispersion of light, C. Partial reflection of light, D. Reflection of light. And answer is A. Refraction of light. Question number 67. ... This is the unit of refractive index. A. Centimeter, B. meter, C. degree, D. Refractive index has no unit. And answer is D. Refractive index has no unit. Question number 68. N is equal to this law is also called as Snell's law. A. Sin arch upon sin I, B. Sin I upon sin E, C. Sin E upon sin I, D. Sin I upon sin R. And answer is D. Sin I upon sin R. Question number 69. Lights of different colors are used signal for safety transfer. From these the wavelength of red light is ... nm. A. 400, B. 500, C. 600, D. 700. And answer is D. 700. Question number 70. If the refractive index of the air with respect to glass is 2/3, what is the refractive index of glass with respect to air? A. 2/3, B. 3/2, C. 1/3 and D. 1/2. And answer is B. 3/2. Question number 71. The process of separation of light into its component colors while passing through a medium is called A. Reflection of light, B. Refraction of light, C. Dispersion of light, D. Absorption of light. And answer is C. Dispersion of light. Question number 72. Light changes its direction when going from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. This is called A. Reflection of light, B. Refraction of light, C. Dispersion of light, D. Absorption of light. And answer is B. Refraction of light. Question number 73. A ray of light gets refracted ... while entering the lens. A. once, B. twice, C. thrice, D. Doesn't happen. And answer is A. Once. Question number 74. The point inside the lens on the principal axis through which light rays pass without changing their path is called A. Center of curvature, B. Optical center, C. Principal focus, D. Axiom point. And answer is B. Optical center. Question number 75. Virtual image is formed if an object is placed A. At infinity, B. At 2f1, C. At focus f1, D. Between f1 and O. And answer is D. Between f1 and O. 76. In the convex lens, if an object is placed at 2f1, the image is formed at A. f1, B. 2f1, C. beyond 2f1, D. on the same side of the lens as the object. And answer is A. f1. Question number 77. All distances parallel to the principal axis are measured from the A. Optical center, B. Center of curvature, C. Principal focus, D. Infinity. And answer is A. Optical center. Question number 78. A small hole of changing diameter at the center of iris is called A. Optic nerves, B. Cornea, C. Optic disc, D. Pupil. And answer is D. Pupil. 79. For a normal human eye, the near point is at A. 2.1 cm, B. 2.5 cm, C. 25 cm, D. 5 cm. And answer is C. 25 cm. Question number 80. The image formed by dot lens is always virtual and small. A. Plane convex, B. Bioconvex, C. Bioconcave, D. Bifocal. And answer is C. Concave. 81. In a relaxed state, the focal length of healthy eyes is A. 2 cm, B. 2.5 cm, C. 25 cm, D. 5 cm. And answer is A. 2 cm. Question number 82. For a specific glass lens f is equal to 0.5, this is the only information given to the student. Which type of lens is given to him and what is its power? A. Power 2D convex lens, power 1D concave lens, power minus 0.5 concave lens, D. Power minus 0.25 D convex lens. And answer is A. Power 2D convex lens. Question number 83. In myopia, the human eye A. Cannot see nearby objects distinctly, B. Cannot see distinct object clearly, C. Cannot see nearby as well as distinct objects clearly, D. Can see nearby as well as distant object clearly. And answer is B. Cannot see distant object clearly. Question number 84. Due to elongation of and increase in curvature of the eye lens, a person cannot see distant objects clearly. A. Eyeball, B. Pupil, C. Eyelid, D. Cornea. And answer is A. Eyeball. See distant. Question number 85. In hypermetropia, human eye A. Can see distant objects clearly, B. Can see nearby objects distinctly. C. Cannot see nearby as well as distinct object clearly. D. Can't see nearby as well as distinct objects clearly. And answer is A. Can see distinct objects clearly. Question number 86. Bifocal lens is required to correct ... defect. A. Myopia. B. Hypermetropia. C. Presbyopia. And D. None of these. And answer is presbyopia. Question number 87. ... times larger images can be obtained by using a simple microscope. A. 5. B. 10. C. 20. D. 60. And answer is C. 20. Question number 88. ... is a combination of two convex lenses with a small focal length. A. Simple microscope. B. Compound microscope. C. Telescope. And D. None of these. And answer is B. Compound microscope. Question number 89. Bronze is an alloy of A. Copper and tin. B. Copper and zinc. C. Copper and iron. D. Iron and nickel. And answer is A. Copper and tin. Question number 90. ... is an alloy made from iron, nickel and chromium. A. Brass. B. Bronze. C. Stainless steel. D. Amalgam. And answer is C. Stainless steel. Question number 91. ... is basic oxide. A. Carbon dioxide. B. Potassium oxide. C. Sulfur dioxide. D. Aluminum oxide. And answer is B. Potassium oxide. Question number 92. In electrolytic reduction of alumina, ... is used as a cathode. A. Sulfur. B. Graphite. C. Platinum. D. Aluminum. And answer is B. Graphite. Question number 93. Iron is ... A. More reactive than zinc. B. More reactive than aluminum. C. Less reactive than copper. D. Less reactive than aluminum. And answer is D. Less reactive than aluminum. Question number 94. If Cu, Fe, Zn and Al elements are arranged in increasing order of their reactivity, then the correct order would be which of the following? A. Cu, Fe, Zn, Al. B. Al, Cu, Fe, Zn. C. Zn, Al, Cu, Fe. D. Fe, Zn, Al, Cu. And answer is A. Cu, Fe, Zn, Al. Question number 95. Which of the following method is used to prevent the accumulation of greenish layer on brass due to corrosion? A. Electroplanting. B. Anodization. C. Tanning. D. Alloying. And answer is C. Tanning. Question number 96. In Wiley table method to separate particles of gangue, ... method is used. A. Magnetic. B. Froth flotation. C. Leaching. D. Gravitation. And answer is D. Gravitation. Question number 97. Aluminum oxide is ... oxide. A. Acidic. B. Basic. C. Neutral. D. Amphoteric. And answer is D. Amphoteric. Question number 98. Atomic number of aluminum is and its electronic configuration is A. 13 283. B. 12 282. C. 13 310. D. 12 210. And answer is A. 13 283. Question number 99. The chemical formula of zinc blende is A. ZnSO4. B. ZnS, C. ZnCO3, D. ZnO, and answer is B. ZnS. Thank you.